Minister wa ugitiri Professor Kithure Kindiki umagaritio ni maafitha ngathi ya iguru ruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri mekinyitie mutito-ini wa Shakahola kaunti-ini ya Kilifi kuria mere makiri rathie na mbere na guthikurio thutha wa arumiriri ya Paul Mackenzie Ndenge gutindikiririo mehige kuria na kunyua nginya gukua. Meri 90 niwe thikuritio na andu angi 38 makahonokio. Meri 17 ithikuritio umuthi na andu angi 3 makahonokio mari hatikaine.
So it's very hurting that somebody hiding behind scripture and the Bible has caused us this kind of damage.
Professor Kithure Kindiki oigite guoko kuraihu gwa thirikari ni kuracereirwo gwikia Mackenzie ngono na riria kuramunyitukiri andu kiheri ni mararikitie gukua na gucungiriria ruo rwa ngoro mwire na meciria kuria Kenya na thĩ yothe. Ona gukihana uguo Kindiki oigite iherithia riria Mackenzie na ateithĩrĩria ake megutungio megutura meririte tene na tene.
The government of Kenya will do whatever it takes to make sure that we convict Mr. Mackenzie and all those who helped him perpetrate his heinous crimes, that they pay with the severest and most painful punishment available. And therefore, we do not expect that Mr. Mackenzie will get out of jail for the rest of his life.
Minister Kindiki na igwithanirie na mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi DPP uthitanga Mackenzie na ateithĩrĩria ake na mahitia ma ũtoi hamwe na kũraga andu kĩmumu makiendaga. Kindiki augite Mackenzie no athitangwo rungu rwa watho wa kĩmabũrũri.
I am convinced beyond doubt that a case can be built for charging Mr. Mackenzie and all his collaborators, including those who helped him to dig graves and dispose bodies who have been murdered. It is possible to charge them with a crime of genocide under international and Kenyan law.
Professor Kindiki ateterithitie Mackenzie Ndenge ni ahuthirite uruwe athi wa ndini na wetikio na kuhengesha makiri ma andu akihuthira kiugo kia Ngai ririwe arariaga na akanyua. Kindiki augite riu thirikari ni hinguku maitho na gutiri undu ta uyu kahanika bururi-ini ori. Thirikari ni yambiriirie guthuthuria kanitha umwe mwena ucio wa Malindi. Kindiki akiuga maundu maria mahithuritio maya gukorwo na magigi makiria ota maria Mackenzie ekite.
Opened a formal inquiry on one of the religious organizations also based here in Malindi, and already we are getting crucial leads that perhaps what Mr. Mackenzie was doing could just be a tip in the iceberg.
Mere makiria no irathie na mbere na guthikurio gugikwerwo namba ya aria mathikitwo mutito-ini ucio wa Shakahola ya guthie na mbere na kwambatira uria mithenya irathie na mbere na gutiruka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.